What's up, guys? Today's Wednesday. Normally, I do these YouTube lives every single Monday, but this Monday we had a holiday. It was President's Day, so I wasn't really around to make a YouTube video. Yesterday was Tuesday, which was Bao's Instagram Live day, and to be honest, he was mentoring the chat all day. He didn't really have time for Instagram Live. We give out free lessons. We give out so many things to help you guys, but sometimes if the day is really busy, our priority is the members. So Bao just absolutely crushed it for members. He was going long all day yesterday, making a ton of money and guiding members. So thank you, Bao, for being there for the members. And today, I wasn't really planning on doing a video. Tosh has his new member webinar at 2 today, so that's kind of where all the action was going to be. But all of a sudden, I woke up to one of the craziest days ever, right? So I'm going to talk about my day. I'm going to talk about my recaps. I'm going to talk about what I was thinking. But again, my process for the day always starts with the day before, right? If you didn't get enough sleep, if you're fighting with your girlfriend, if for whatever reason you had a bad day, that is going to pour into your trading the next day, right? So as a trader, you need to always try to remain as stress-free as possible to keep your mental capital in check, to use all of your brain power for trading, right? Anytime that I'm stressed in the real world, it pours off into my trading. So let me talk about what happened last night, and let me talk about what happened this morning. So we're here in Miami, and everything in Miami is open. And, we are very blessed to be, I'm very blessed to be trading really well. It's after today, I think I'm up like $700,000 in a span of 2 months. And just as reference, I made $1 million last year. I'm already at $700,000 in 2 months, which is crazy. But I'm not thinking about the money. I'm just basically thinking about the process. Anyway, the point is that in Miami, it is very easy to go party. In Miami, it is very easy to go meet girls. In Miami, it is very easy to live the life of a rock star if you're making 10, 20, 30K a day trading, right? So, back in Jersey, I'm sitting in my computer. I'm not really leaving the house. I'm kind of bored. I'm a little bit lonely. And over here, it's just like a different world. I'm hanging out with my brother. I'm having fun. So, to be honest, if there's 7 days out of the week, we go out to eat all 7 days. And out of those 7 days, maybe 5 of those days, we like to go party. And I've been trying to cut it down because there's so much opportunity in the market that I don't want to really miss it out by spending money. I don't want to go spend $10,000 at the table when I can make fucking $20,000 trading. It just doesn't make sense. So yesterday we went out to dinner, and I came home around like 11 or midnight. And I said to myself, all right, great. Like, I didn't have a long night. Meanwhile, my brother and some of our friends, they went out to the clubs. They went out partying. And it seems like the theme of my life has been every time I go home early and these guys go out, they come storming into the room early in the morning and wake my ass up. So over here I am, the day before trading. I will go to sleep early. I prep myself, and then my drunken brother walks in the room at 6 a.m. and causes a fucking commotion. There's like a tornado going off, right? So here I am, like, here we fucking go again. I didn't get enough sleep. It's 6 a.m. Now I'm pissed. What am I going to do? I'm going to go to my desk. So instead of just being a lazy person and going on YouTube or going and watching porn, I went to my desk and I started working at 6 a.m. All of my alarms were set at 7 a.m. or 7:30 just in case I woke up late. But I was like, you know what? This motherfucker came in barging through the door, 6 a.m. I'm just going to get up and see what happens. So I get to my desk, and SCKT, which was the hot chick of the day yesterday, that went from $5 to $35, tanked. It was red pre-market at $17, right? So now I'm thinking to myself, all right, the hot chick of the day is dead. Let's go see where the hot chick of yesterday is dead. Let's go see where the hot chicks of today are, right? So all of a sudden, pre-market, we had a stock, LODE. So LODE, I saw pre-market around $5 or $6, right? And in this market, I'm not going to lie, as soon as I saw that breaking out to new highs, as soon as I saw it ramping up, I closed my eyes and I hit fucking buy, because I'm trying to act like the idiots that are buying these stocks and making money. If there's a hot stock on the day, no one's looking at the news, no one's looking at the PR. I'm buying it first, and then I'm doing my fucking research after, right? So that's what's been working in the market, right? So that's what I did this morning. So this morning on LODE, I bought it at 6, I bought it at 620, I bought it at 630, and I flipped it at 7, 8, and 9. So all of a sudden in the morning, On a small 2,000 share position, I'm up 5 grand, right? So I'm up 5 grand going long on the stock pre-market before Bao was even awake. Okay, so number one, what am I doing differently in this market? I have learned, this is a secret, I have learned that in this current market, environment, if you are going short pre-market, you are in trouble, right? If you are going short pre-market, you must be extremely careful. You must be extremely meticulous. You better stop out if the stock reclaims VWAP. So I have a rule. If a stock is under VWAP pre-market, I am allowed to short it, but my stop must be a VWAP reclaim. Okay? Keep that in mind, right? Keep that in mind. So for short setups pre-market, I'm looking for broken stocks. Long setups, I'm basically looking for anything with a low float that's popping up on a scanner. I'm looking for anything that has SSR. I'm looking for anything that has easy to borrow. I'm looking for all these things, right? So pre-market, I recognize that going long, there is an edge. So I went long LODE and I made money there, right? So now while I'm going long LODE, I'm getting confident, right? I'm like, all right, what's next, right? What's next? So before I got too confident and kind of dug myself into a hole, I calmed down and I told myself, all right, what are the broken stocks of the day? I made a little bit of money long. I don't want to really go and kind of get jumbled up shorting these garbage stocks. What else is moving today, right? What else is moving? So I saw PETZ, PETZ, and DOGZ, DOGZ. Both of these stocks are up on no news, right? So how can two stocks that are up on no news be up 200, 300, 400% pre-market? And let me tell you guys, all of the people that missed out on SCKT yesterday, everyone that missed the parabolic move yesterday is like, I am not missing the stock today. I want to find the new stock of the day. And when I find it, I'm going to buy it. So what happens is these pumpers, guys, these pumpers that have hundreds of thousands of fucking morons looking to buy these alerts, they wake up at 4 a.m., they wake up at 5 a.m., and they pump up these stocks that have no news. And for me, as a short seller, when I'm seeing stocks that are running on no news, 400%, 500%, odds are that they're probably going to go down, right? Let's say 9 out of 10 times they're going to go down. That one time out of 10, I cover my loss, right? So here I am, confidently up $5,000 on the long on LODE. I said I didn't get caught short. The stock keeps going up. Let that take attention. As LODE is taking attention, guys, I am focusing on PETZ and DOGZ. Okay? So PETZ and DOGZ, I was shorting around $13 pre-market PETZ. And I'm thinking to myself, all right, what's my plan? I'm going to short $13. And if it reclaims VWAP around $13.50 or $14, I'm going to be out. And then as LODE is getting more attention, right? People don't care about PETZ. People don't care about dogs. So what happens? PETZ goes from 13 to 12 to 10 to fucking 9. And all of a sudden, I'm up $5 a share on that. Now another 2,000 shares turns into $10,000. So now pre-market, guys, pre-market, I'm up $15,000 on 2 trades. One long, hot chick of the day, and one short, side chick that no one is looking at. So now I'm confident. Now I'm like, all right, I know how these stocks are trading. I just have to keep doing whatever I want to do on these stocks, and it should work out. And now, as this was happening simultaneously, we had a new hot chick show up, CLPS CLPS. Now, this stock was a stock that I really liked. And the reason why I really liked CLPS because it was a 4 million share float. It was in a sexy price range, $10 to $12, which is where SCKT started. And now everyone is dumping LODE, everyone is dumping PETZ, and everyone is dumping DOGZ to go long CLPS. Now, what do? While they're going long CLPS, now I'm shorting these stocks that they forget about. So in MIC, guys, we talk about something called the flow of money. So we look to see where the money is. We look to see where the hot stocks are. And as soon as the money dissipates and goes somewhere else, we like to start attacking that stock, right? So it's like an example of imagine there's a new car. There's like a new BMW that comes out. Let's call it an M3, right? There's a new BMW that comes out, and everyone's really obsessed with it. Everyone really wants to buy it. It's in a sexy price range, and for whatever reason, people that want to afford it, they want to buy it. Now, let's say after they announce that car, a day later, a month later, they announce a special edition version of that car, and the initial value of that car drops, right? because everyone is now looking to buy the special edition because they think that value is going to appreciate. So what we like to do is we like to have those crazy stocks, those special edition stocks, all those things take all of the attention. And while they do that, we like to attack these other stocks, guys. We call this the hot chicks and the side chick plays. So in MIC, we like to focus on the broken stocks. We like to focus on the stocks that people aren't looking at. So today, what did I do? As CLPS was taking attention, I bulldozed in short LODE. As CLPS was halting up, I bulldozed in PETZ short. As CLPS was getting pumped by the chat rooms, I bulldozed in DOGZ short. So as the stock is taking all the attention and as the money is exiting these primary stocks, I am loading in the boat short on the high probability setups because those longs that bought those stocks just want to exit, right? And today, I was not expecting to have a crazy day. I woke up and out of nowhere, you guys that were in MIC, you saw me left and right out of the open. It was like an instinct. It was like Bao always talks about trading like an instinct. I was not thinking, I was just reacting, right? It's like if someone tries to throw something in your face without thinking, you react and you back off. That is how my trading has gotten to this point where I am so in the zone sometimes that I don't even need to think. I just hit the order. I hit the order. I know what I'm doing. It's hitting my lines. I'm doing this. I'm doing that. Money is coming here. Attention's coming here. Short here. Short here. Money's flowing out of here. Cover, cover, cover. You know what I'm saying? So today, I posted my charts on Instagram, instagram.com/myinvestingclub. I posted my charts for the members in MIC, and you could see that I was just in the matrix today. Some days you feel it, some days you don't. And the reason why I was so adamant about loading in size today was this, guy. So pay attention. Take notes on this. What is a sympathy play, right? What is a sympathy play? So we like to talk about the head of the snake, which is the stock that is taking all of the attention. And what ends up happening is there's sympathy plays after. People are looking for the next stock. If SCKT went up 1,000% yesterday, right? 1,000% it went up. People today that missed that, they're like, oh my God, I got to find the next stock because the market's hot. People are buying. And if you know anything about trading, those sympathy plays are usually the weakest ones because they have no news, DOGZ, PETZ. They have no catalyst. They have no reason to be up. The only reason why they are up is on hype. And if you guys know, the best opportunities to make money are based on hype because hype never lasts. So today, Bao was asking me, what was your max size? What were you trading today? And I was like, the maximum size I used on any given ticker today was 25,000 shares, right? And that is significantly larger than my 5 to 10,000 share day-to-day size. But the reason why I sized up today is because we had such a crazy runner yesterday that I knew that the runners today would not have as much power and as much momentum as the initial runner because there was mostly no catalyst. So if I'm going to size up in the market, guys, I'm going to size up on stocks that have no news. I'm going to size up on stocks that have no catalyst. And I'm going to size up on stocks that are pump and dumps, right? So before this video started, someone joined in and he's like, I had a shitty day because I started buying pump and dumps. No shit, Sherlock. You think you're going to make money buying these pump and dumps? You think you're going to make money buying these text alerts, these email alerts, these voice alerts? By the time you get the pump, it is already being dumped. You are the reason why these pumpers are making money because you're buying into their scams, right? This day and age of 2021 is the day and age of these pumpers, man. It is so crazy, all the pump rooms out there. You got guys that are pumping on text message. You got guys that are pumping on email. You got guys that are pumping on Discord. You got guys that are pumping on screen share. You got guys that are pumping on microphones. And they're pumping and they're pumping and they're pumping and they're making millions of dollars. And as soon as the fucking SEC catches on, those millions of dollars are going to be frozen and they're going to go to jail, just like Raging Bull, right? So let them make their money. But you have to remember that if you want to be a professional trader like myself, like Bao, like the members in MIC, we do not pump. We do not alert. We pride ourselves on the fact that we do not take blood money. We pride ourselves on the fact that we do not scam people. The reason why our retention rate at MIC is 90%, which means if you join, there's a 90% chance you stay, is because our members are making money, our members trust us, and our members see the potential in the market, guys. It is not a coincidence that I'm up 700 grand in 2 months on luck. It is not something that I am pumping. I don't trade with a $5 to $10 million account, guys. I trade with an account size that you guys can replicate. And yes, when there's opportunities, I size the fuck up. But this is what I want to show you guys. This is the best opportunity in stock market history to become a day trader. And you guys are over here buying pumps. You guys are over here looking at Forex signals. You guys are over here trading crypto. Guys, I'm making so much money this year. I don't even know how to fucking spend it, right? And that's not me complaining. It's not me bragging. It's just me saying, like, holy shit, there's so much money to be made, and you guys aren't taking advantage of it. Like, what are you guys thinking? So, my day was great today. I feel good. I owe my brother a 10% commission for waking me up at 6 a.m. But other than that, guys, I'm feeling good. I'm feeling confident. I'm gonna wire out 170K, and I have a goal this year, guys. So my big goal of this year is I want to buy an investment property here in Miami, and I'm getting very, very close to that goal. I want to get to that goal by the end of the year, but it seems like a couple months later I'm gonna be able to get there. And so another thing that I want to talk about is, where do I park my money in my day trading? So day trading, guys, is a great way to make money, but to build long-term wealth, I want to park my money into tangible assets. So my big goal this year, guys, is to buy a property, to buy a condo and rent it out. So I'm taking all the money that I'm making trading, I'm leaving half to the IRS, that's fucking scam, and then the other half I'm trying to invest into a property and invest into real estate. So whatever money you guys are making into the market, everyone says keep your money in the accounts, keep your money in the trading accounts. I want to trade with 5-10 million. Let me tell you guys, that's not for you. Once you have fucking $5-10 million, you could trade with 5 or 10 million. But most of you guys don't got that type of money. So whatever money you make, park it into tangible assets, park it into real estate, maybe park it into the S&P 500 or whatever you want. And just so that you know, me and Bao have a very long-term goal of helping you guys park your long-term money as well, because this is my investing club, not my trading club. So we want to give you guys avenues and teach you guys how to invest your money long-term in other assets as well. That is way out. We're not even close to working on that, but just know that we are here to help you guys. We are here to help our members long-term. And yeah, I feel really good today, man. I feel really, really good. I feel really happy. I feel really confident. And now I have to ask myself, what the fuck am I going to spend all this money on? So do you guys have any questions for me? I'm going to take a brief Q&A here. Additionally, I'm in a good mood, so what I want to do is I want you guys to comment on this video with one lesson, not in the live chat, but in the actual video with one lesson that you learned, and I'm going to give away a monthly membership to MIC. I gave away a lifetime membership last month, and that was a little bit too much, so I'm going to kind of give away a monthly membership. So leave a comment with one lesson that you learned from this video. Comment as many times as you want, and I'll give away a lifetime membership. In the meantime, let's open it up to a Q&A for about 5 minutes, and let's take it from there. I was in chat all morning. Great lessons today. Happy to help, bro. Again, if you guys are in the room, I posted my charts and chart recaps and fills for the members. Shorters are immoral. Sounds like you are stuck long, my friend. I will take your money any day of the week. Fucking idiots. But this is how it works, man. This is how it works. These guys that say shorting is immoral are the guys buying GameStop at 400, at 500. So who's the real idiot here? What makes you different than any other rooms? Why don't you go look at our testimonials at instagram.com/myinvestingclub, so you can see how our members are making money and not just the mentors are making money. Please, no jewelry. I'm not buying any fucking jewelry. Do I trade indexes? No. If you are under PDT, do you recommend splitting your accounts between 3 accounts? Yes, so that you can have more day trades. How do you get in the matrix? After you've been trading for a long time and after you've been seeing the same setups happen over and over again, it becomes a reflex. You can't turn on the matrix just comes to you. Some days you're in the matrix, some days you're in the gutter. I've been in the gutter plenty of times, and the matrix comes along once every so often, and when it comes, I fucking size up. Bro, if you're gonna ask me one more time if I trade indexes, I'm blocking you. can you please explain the clip setup, CLPS? CLPS was a 4 million share float, low float, being pumped up as a sympathy play to SCKT. So once the pump ended, you got the dump. And I was actually warning members in the room around 18 and 19 to not buy that stock, right? To not buy that stock because it had dump risk. So not only are we guiding members on how to make money short, we are guiding them on ways to make sure that they don't blow up their accounts. MIC is the best gift ever. You join, you will thrive trading. I don't know why you guys don't just try us out for a month. Most of you guys lose $200 in a trade. Instead, you guys have too much ego to learn for $200 in a month. Guys, I made enough today to afford MIC till the rest of my life, right? And you guys are being too cheap about $200. You know what happens, guys? You guys say MIC is too cheap for $200. I'm gonna go join somewhere else for $100. You end up losing $5,000 trying to save $100. I know Faye has a good beginner's guide. So after you watch Faye's beginner guide, be sure to watch Bao's Trading Fish Academy. These are Bao's live trading videos for free for members. I saw you in Steve's video. Yeah, Steve's a good guy, man. Do you feel like the market is due for a correction? If the billionaires can't predict it, how the fuck am I going to predict it? All I know is that there is so much uneducated money out there, and I am just taking everyone's money because they got no idea what they're doing. The more people that treat trading like gambling, the more money I'm going to have in my pocket. So why not educate yourself, guys? Hey guys, I'm part of another room, and there's an adjustment period. As MIC strategy go through periods of adjustment, we have 5 to 7 different strategies for every single type of market condition. So if one strategy doesn't work in one market condition, another one will work in the same market condition. If you're too lazy to learn to trade for a month, you probably don't deserve. Also, one more thing that I want to ask you guys is, why do you guys think that it's so easy to become a day trader in 1 month? You know, anyone that tells you you could be profitable in 1 month is a fucking scammer. It is possible. It is just unlikely, right? So it took me 7 years to become an overnight success. And that was without MIC. Members in MIC are finding consistency in 1 year. So why not really buckle down for 1 year, study your ass off, and become rich forever? Rich forever. But you guys don't want to put in 1 fucking month of work, 1 year of work. Look at all the people in the chat telling you guys to join, You know, these are not paid actors. These are people that are finding actual value. And the best part is, guys, me and Bao are here every single day. We are mentoring you guys every single day. You could DM us, you could talk to us, and we will be the guys that answer. I dare you to DM one of these other chat room guys and see if they will even reply to you. So that's it, guys. I'm going to call it a day. Remember to leave a comment on the video with 1 lesson, and I will pick a person to win a monthly membership. If you are already a monthly member and you comment, I will send you some MIC swag for free. So thank you guys for attending. I'm feeling really, really good today. And maybe that means I should wire out more fucking money, right? So thank you guys, and I'll see you guys back in the room to answer questions.